Waiting to feel confident before you start? Yeah, that's one of the most common traps for new creators. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't a requirement. It's a result. In this video, I'll give you 3 reasons why starting without confidence actually works better. And a bonus tip at the end that'll flip your fear into momentum. Let's get into it. Confidence doesn't magically show up like a delivery order. It's built through messy reps, awkward intros, and talking to a camera that feels like it's silently judging you. Refer back to any of my previous videos and you'll see the evolution of my camera presence. That first video, it's less TED Talk and more, did I blink too much? And honestly, that's the gateway to growth. What's something you did scared, but felt more confident after doing it? Share it below. We need more receipts of courage and action. A lot of people wait until they feel ready, but what they're really waiting for is clarity. You don't get clarity by thinking, you get it by doing. The more you create, the more you figure out what works, what feels like you, and what doesn't. You can't find your voice sitting in a Google Doc for 6 hours wondering, should you start with a joke or a hook? Spoiler, they both work. Hit record. What's one thing you learned only after you started creating? Let's help each other out and turn your trial and error into someone else's shortcut. Feeling nervous doesn't mean you're not ready. It means you care. If anything, it means you are ready. You're just stepping into unfamiliar territory. The moments I feel nervous usually always involves people. Whether it's doing something I've never done before in front of people or with people, or something I just haven't done in a while. But I never let that nervous feeling stop me. Why? Because I know it leads to regret. Ever hit record, panic, and immediately stop recording? Same. That's just the emotional warm-up. Let me know if you've ever hit record, freaked out, and closed the app. You're not alone. It's called character development. Real confidence is built by keeping promises to yourself. Even if nobody watches, just showing up means you followed through. And that builds trust with the most important audience, you. You don't need a viral video to feel confident. You just need to stop ghosting yourself. Confidence doesn't come before showing up. It comes because you keep showing up. Now let's talk about what's not talked about enough, your mental health. If self-doubt has been holding you hostage, remember, courage doesn't mean the fear goes away. It just means you act anyway. Don't wait for confidence to find you. Go first. Confidence catches up. Every video you create is proof to yourself and to others that you're beating self-doubt one video at a time. If this gave you the permission you needed to stop waiting and start creating, like, subscribe, and drop this in the comments. What's something you want to create, but you don't feel ready yet? And if you want more mindset shifts that help you hit record when it feels scary, check out this next video. It's your personal unconfidence pep talk. Waiting to feel confident before you. That's one of the most common traps for new creators. And a bonus tip at the end that'll flip your fear. In this video, I'll give you 3 reasons. It's built through messy reps. That first video. But what they're really, and you don't get clear, you'll see the evolution. No. What's one thing? Feeling nervous doesn't mean the times I feel nervous, confidence doesn't come. And if you want more mindset shifts that help you